Some friends of mine are having a work day, and we're here to capture the vibes on this cool, cloudy morning. Let's keep it moving. It's a sizable job, but we hope to complete it before the rain sets in.
That was how I want to jump that you there.
This is the last Christmas.
Yeah. Then they give me joke, you know.
What you not joking, man?
If you up.
Last Christmas.
And load the reverse up the van. Who will reverse up the van?
This type of work is never easy, but it can be fun and funny with some of the stories being told on the side. There's war in the Gulf, politics, man and woman affair, music, you name it. You know, anywhere two or more yardmen gather, female is always a hot topic. Even for those who don't have a girl. Yes? It's mostly veterans here today, and I guess the youngsters couldn't take the pace, so they didn't bother even to turn up. Story come to a head, or as we say it here, story come to bum, when the rum lands on deck. That's the white rum. When every man get loud and find an extra gear, as the spirits start to move. Can I get an amen for that?
Give it 2 more, brother.
But I am generous. What?
Has turned out quite well, and we're almost finished here. So from Anchovy in Port Antonio, we'll see you in the next one. Walk good.